Alright, so we got the boy David here, the boy Brian, Big Brian, let him know. And we got Buki here. This piece of shit car won't start. A lot of problems.
You're not pointing at mine, right?
I'm pointing at mine. It's a piece of shit, don't work. But yeah, we're about to head to the junkyard. What's up?
I can park on the street, right?
This park here.
What if I get towed, bro?
The towing doesn't come. Towing comes at 9 p.m.
Yeah.
Plus, fuck these niggas, bro. You know how many times I come in here and have to fucking use a handicap? They can suck my dick. Where we want to go, Brian?
LKQ. Pick your own part.
We want to go to the junkyard, get a part for this bitch. So hopefully it can start.
I'm gonna see if I find a shift now. I've been wanting a shift now.
Here. David.
Find a whole new damn car.
David's car, he just bought a car and that shit got hit.
It's done.
It's been a month. This nigga just got another Jetta. He got the 1.8 from the 2.0. Let him know.
To get
Showing I bet the car's gonna start without the head gas. Really, Falco. How much money?
Yeah, be ready for all the oil you pay.
Bro, you trying to start the car without a head gasket? Boy.
Alright, fuck it, let's go.
Ain't enough. Where you from? Where you from? Throw it out. Going nuts. Yeah, going down.
He was the first nigga to touch this car when Glenn got it. The last nigga, bro.
Oh, bullshit.
I know.
So basically,
This nigga, bro.
we went to the junkyard. We couldn't find no distributors. This smart man decided to open up the distributor and saw that one of the pieces were kind of burnt out and fucked. So we went to go get new pieces. He's installing it now. So hopefully we'll have some luck. Shout out to the man Brian. Follow him. Big Brian. I'll leave his information
Let me know
below.
if y'all need car shit.
Backyard mechanic if y'all need it, bruh.
He thinks
Good
of
man.
shit you wouldn't think of.
Exactly,
Got bolts on
man.
that joint already? That's perfect.
Yes, sir.
Thinks of shit you would have never thought of, bro.
Hey, charge this shit as a new distributor, bro.
Like, this is kind of dirty, man. Why is it like dirty and clean at the same time?
Hey, we touched it. We're trying to put it in.
Dirty hands
Damn,
in
man.
my house.
So you got a sub?
I don't think he wants to buy it, man.
Well,
Yeah.
it's 210s though. It's not.
You know, new distributor going back on. You know, all new, everything. You know, nothing halfway. All new.
Nothing was ever broken. We're just replacing this preventative maintenance.
Yeah.
Preventative maintenance.
What he said. We're just try to start this puppy up, man.
We gotta go race it to break the new distributor in.
Exactly. No oil, running with no oil too. Good old SI, Brian's SI. Then we got the nice oil. 1.8.
You can fit.
All right, so we're moments away from seeing if it starts. You're not gonna say anything. You just.
No, we're not good. Hey, everybody, bro. Everybody.
Hold on.
Everybody, bro.
I woke me up at fucking, what, 10, 11? Go to Advanced Auto Parts with him.
He took me around 8. You know, then he came.
Let's start.
Go ahead,
Alright.
get the camera.
Y'all
Oh,
pray?
shit. You knock on wood. It's crazy.
We praying.
Y'all pray?
Keep going.
Keep going.
Nothing.
It cranks better.
You're going back. Jump start.
Let me see if they're hitting the distributor actually works.
I smell fuel. I smell cat.
So we're trying to jump it right now just in case maybe if anything can happen. But it's been a long day, very long day. What's up, my brother?
Right? Are you sure you have gas?
I have, like, it's almost at full, niggas. Like, I know I barely have gas all the time, but I have gas this time, nigga. I have gas this time.
Nigga, we have our doubts, okay?
I know my Snapchat, I'd be like, I eat every other day, but I have gas this time.
We can have our doubts. It's not the first time it happened like that.
put gas. This shit would have never.
It could be timing. It could be your timing.
That's what I'm saying. You got him in your goddamn car. Put him in, bruh. Your bottom shits. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. I got the magic touch. Gas! Gas! I tried.
Yeah, no say, man. You know.
I tried. Bless you.
Alright, so we got a new distributor cap, and what the nigga say it was called?
You say what called?
The button.
The rotator.
Yeah, and a new rotator button, but it's still not getting no spark. So last thing we're gonna do is just try to change out the spark plugs. And if we can't, if the spark plug's not the problem, we just gotta get a whole new distributor. So let's see if it works. And now Joe's here. We subbed out Joe for O'Brien because he drives a Mustang
With teeth.
with teeth. Happy Halloween.
You're cooling. That nigga Brian accidentally knocked this shit. It's cooling everywhere now, bro.
Chill.
It's cool.
Hey, God!
Hey, yeah.
You just got my distributor in your hand, right?
Hey, this is my new distributor going in a brand new 1.8 T. 1.8 horsepower. Each one is 30,000 horsepower. It's like nah.
This nigga to respond back, bruh. So good news. I have a friend who has a Teggy. He has a distributor, so we're about to go see if his shit works. So you know, fingers crossed.
Yeah, this lines up with the cam, so I don't know if we should be letting this exposed to elements or if we should cover it.
Alright, thanks to my good man over there. He helped us diagnose it. So basically, the distributor is out of time. Could be out of time, or the ignition coil inside the distributor is bad. Alright, so it's down to two men, the Volkswagen and the great nigga. So basically, it didn't take all night. It was just basic jump because we just went to a little meet and then came back. But basically, you can't really see. I'm just gonna talk over it. But the problem is the distributor. Now it could be two problems: either the coil went bad inside the distributor, or also that it went off timing. The distributor is off timing, so that's why it's not getting any spark. So we have Brian, who has an extra distributor that he might lend me for like 50 bucks. Or we have another friend, but he's not answering right now. That's basically it. So tomorrow we're gonna try to get on this bitch, have that get out of school. Basically that's it, man. We need to get this shit running so we can sell this piece of shit. You feel me? What you trying to say?